I gotta make this right. I gotta make this right. Just wait, okay? Guys, everyone, welcome to TrueFam Media. Today I'm gonna talk to you guys about the 35-second rules, and some of you must have heard about it. This rule is actually used by most of the biggest content creators on YouTube. And you know, it's just trying to always have something different on the screen approximately every 35 seconds. It can be a new text animation, it can be a B-roll or a transition to a new angle, because you want to create a rhythm, a pace to the video in order to keep and retain the audience's attention. So here it is. I'm gonna give you guys 3 tips today, and I hope these will help you retain your viewers' attention. The first thing is just animation, just text animation, pop-ups or whatever it is. It doesn't have to be fancy.
As a thought leader, but personally, should you be on the platform?
Check this example. Tiffany, instead of just asking the question, is showing the question, and she added the pop sound effect so that the audience can see, hey, something is happening, and it gives them this feeling of what's next, what else? I want to be a part of this. And of course, to get those sound effects, you can just go to audio library, and those are free, and you can use those to spice up those text animation. All right, the second thing is B-roll. You heard about these. B-rolls are important just to illustrate, again, to change of scenery, illustrate what you're saying with some B-rolls, maybe B-rolls of yourself doing what you are actually saying as you are sharing the content. As an example, if I was talking about me going somewhere, I can show this clip as a B-roll, as an extra footage, just to invite the viewers to be a part of the story. So the third thing is, I'm just going to call it different angles.
We'll find that we're able to be more consistent instead of starting off with an hour workouts.
In this example, Chris starts with a wide angle, and then you can see that he zooms in. So as you are talking to the camera, try to have different angles of yourself. If you have multiple cameras, that's the best. You can also do this by changing environment. You don't have to have multiple cameras. You can also just change environments. Go to the living room, go to the kitchen, just go do something, go somewhere outside of the house and just talk and combine the video later. And I think those changes will definitely help. There is this trick that I see some of you are using already, but I'm gonna share it anyway today. You see, you can also just reframe yourself in post. The key for this though is to always try to shoot at the maximum quality that you can. So if you shoot in 4K, all the pixels in that 4K resolution, you'll not lose a lot of quality if you zoom in and then maybe shift left or shift right in post, and it will give another perspective. It will give a totally different perspective of the same shot, which is really cool. I hope you're doing this already. If you didn't, do it. All right, guys, that's all the quick tips that I have for today. Of course, feel free to experiment with everything that I said today. And if you guys have some other ideas that you feel like can help retain the audience attention, then feel free to share with the group. Feel free to share with us. And so, yeah, we can help each other. That's really what's behind TrueFam Media. So, all right, that's it. I'll see you guys next time.